जैसे पढ़ो A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for plane, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for train, U for umbrella, V for vegetable, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yacht, Z for zebra। अब ताली बजा दो, क्लैपिंग कर दो।